Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 31st of July. The euro recorded losses against most of its major counterparts as it was revealed that positive comments by ECB President Draghi over the past week were not the result of any resolution or plan. Therefore, Thursday's policy statement by the ECB and the press conference that will follow are expected to provide a catalyst for either higher highs or lower lows. Versus the US dollar, the single currency rose to 122.59 from 123.02. The US dollar produced gains ahead of the FOMC statement released due tomorrow. The ADP employment report and the ISM manufacturing PMI prints, also due tomorrow, will capture market participants' attention. Versus the Canadian dollar, the US dollar dropped to 100.15 from 100.42. The Australian dollar rose to 104.96 and advanced to 104.63 versus the US dollar. And the British pound dropped to 157.10 from 157.26 against the greenback as investors prepare for Thursday's policy announcements by the Bank of England. Looking at commodities, oil prices fell to $89.27 a barrel from $89.66. Gold dropped to $1,620.94 from $1,622.57 an ounce. And against the euro, gold rose to €1,322.96 from €1,317.32 an ounce. Silver advanced to $28.08 from $27.64. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 123.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 123.30. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 78.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.30. The Aussie-dollar pivot point is at 104.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.20. The sterling-dollar pivot point is at 156.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 156.80. And the dollar-CAD pivot point is at 100.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 100.50. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 89 with a preference to enter into long positions at 89. The gold pivot point is at 1608 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1608. And the silver pivot point is at 2780 with a preference to enter into long positions at 2780. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the EU unemployment in June forecast to rise to 11.2%. Canadian gross domestic product month-on-month in May forecast to expand by 0.2%. And the US consumer confidence in July forecast to drop to 61.5. Now to equities in Europe, the FTSE was up 1.18%, the DAX was up 1.27% and the CAC was up 1.24%. In the US, the SP 500 was down 0.05% and the Dow was down 0.02%. In Asia, at the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.72% and the Hang Seng was up 0.84%. It's been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.